Oh! What?
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are gonna be doing Flip the Bottle Challenge Street Food Edition. And we haven't been doing challenges since 2019, so this is our comeback. Hope you guys enjoy. Ow! Sorry!
Go to the left kasi. Sa left.
Left.
Go, ate! Go, ate! Alip na alip kayo ah.
Oh my God!
Go, eat, go.
Guys, check out the hold on.
Ate, pakita mo na video.
Sabi sa left, John, ang oras eh.
Kuya.
Go!
Daddy! Eat!
Okay, mo naman.
Mommy, do it now, guys!
Nakakarami yun ah.
Hati naman! Don't do that!
He's gonna finish.
Oh my God!
What?
Slowly, John. Slowly.
I'm gonna start. What is happening?
Oh my God! I'm hungry!
I'm not gonna eat.
Ang balo natin.
Feed me!
This is it, this is it.
What? I swear it was
Ma'am, ang dami tubig!
Please!
Boy!
No!
Wait.
Ah! No! Alice! Alice!
Hindi pa kainin mo.
Move it.
Bago kong
There you go.
nag-try. Oh my
Okay,
God!
okay.
Ay! Hindi ka dapat na!
Go, John, eat. Hindi nga.
Ang kaya na to! Hindi pa ako nakakain. Give me some!
Wala.
Kuya, remove your stick. Makakaano
Leave
ka
the
yan.
stick there. Kasi, eat mo.
I go back already. Tabi! Move!
Move.
Eat a lot.
Bakit?
Oy! Bawal. Ganito lang kasi ano. Oh! What? What to eat? What to eat?
I'm hungry. Paano kain? Ay, masarap ba yan?
Yeah, and
Go, Mami! After back, Mami.
Pawis na ako ah.
Ow!
I'm hungry.
do it. Ganda lang.
Go, Mami. Ah! Lower, Nick! Lower!
Oh, pati na, left hand.
Let's use...
Ganito kasi yun eh. There you go! There you go! Tignan mo kasi yung technique.
Technique.
Me go lower.
Kasan mo? Uy, sige.
Oh! You almost elbow.
Yung momentum kasi.
Sige na! Kumain tayo!
No.
Oh my gosh.
Man, go.
Momentum. There! There! Momentum! Alam mo na. Alam mo na, di ba?
Kuya!
I knew it. I knew it was gonna happen.
There you go.
Pawis na pawis na yung ilong ko.
Okay, hintay mo yung gumanon. Hey, hey. My turn. Ano kayo mo?
Isa lang
Hindi
na.
pa kasi, hindi mo baratan.
Isa lang na.
I like you.
Kasi mo.
The table is so wet, it's gonna slip.
No. Good.
Wait lang.
Ah! Move!
Move.
Move aside.
The stick.
Okay, got it.
Here you go.
Oh! Ah, you need to eat. You need to eat. Eat.
You think? Kasi nandun ka. Dami-dami pa yan eh.
Ha?
Dami po, may shawarma. Lakasan mo lang, di lakasan mo.
This should have been sped up. We need to hurry.
Almost there. Sabi si Mami.
Nakakain ba ito si John?
Oo, ako nga lang. Isa lang nakain.
Move.
Ha?
Me too, mommy.
See the technique.
Halo-halo mo na ako. Halo mo. Ay! Oh!
Shawarma done.
Let me flip for me.
Wait, ah.
Mommy. Save some for mommy. I didn't even eat twice. Girl, why are you Only one.
Only one too? Only me. Only me. Only me.
Come on.
Ano yan?
Parang mo.
Oh!
Ito.
Go, mommy, eat.
Eat kasi! Eat! May wala ka sa ano.
Wala, still.
Hurry it.
Busog ka na.
Let mommy eat.
Busog ka na ba?
Ah.
Oh!
Go, ayusin mo John ha, para makakalit.
My turn.
I'm the only one who ate one.
Ang itlog. Tama na yan. Ano ba yun, John?
I can smell that.
It's the egg.
Food.
Nah.
Here you go.
How do you even do that? Oh my gosh.
Diba, nung kaway, isang itlog pa lang kinakain.
Mommy, I ate more than you when I have braces.
There you go.
Wait.
Oh! I'm scared.
Are you scared? Let mommy eat. Just
Kain! Move! Ay!
No.
Tubig! Kaya ni John yan. You can do it, baby.
I think there's not that much water.
My turn!
I need to eat. There's not that much water left. I need to refill.
Okay. It's not even, ano?
Let's
Bakit?
see them
Natatapon ba yun?
one.
It's always good. Mommy's gonna finish it.
Hindi naman natatapon ah. John, you can do it. Okay, walang ganyan. Ano ba naman kasi John? Hindi ka ba naglaro niyan?
No, I don't know how to flip. Mommy did the
My turn.
Oh. How do you even do this?
Oh!
Give me
Wait,
that.
kumain ka lang, kumain ka lang. My turn. Move. Move.
Go do it, come on. Oh. Hurry, please, hurry.
My turn.
Mommy. Oh my
Vamos.
gosh. I look sad. You look sad. Oh! Go, go, go!
Si John nakakuha.
Mm.
Oh my gosh! I had to go to my friend's house.
Use your left hand.
No, it's bad.
I did my left hand.
Watch this, guys.
Go John, go John, go John.
Oh my gosh, please. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
My turn again.
Oh!
Ah.
Me!
Set aside!
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. What hurt the bird?
Balik na si John.
Ano ba?
Tama ka.
What?
Let John in first.
I can do all things through Christ.
Sakto ah. Sakto. Yung sinabi niya.
Amen.
Ah,
Amen.
sinabi
What
niya
I
yan.
said amen.
Philippians 4:13.
What?
Eh, wala! Left hand pa ang ginamit ko. Left hand pa yun, John. Sorry, baby.
What?
Tell me don't spit in my face. Ah!
What even?
Sige, no?
What is happening?
Ah, tama na.
Wow!
Ah! That's this. Oh my God, ano ba yung tinapon mo lang?
Ano kaya mo, John? Cheese stick? Pag nakain si John, let's eat na.
Ah. Hanip pa, kayo mo yan.
Left hand again, boy, for the win.
Ah! Left hand yung. Wala mas sigaw.
There! Sige, pakainin mo na. Go, 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 B.
Ah, tama na.
Sige lang.
What?
Pag may pumalit ka dyan, lahat na tayo.
What? The cucumber.
Ikaw ba, ate, nakaulit ka na?
There, move.
Oh, let's eat! Come on!
Yay! Thank you. Hope you enjoyed our video.
Let's eat!
Bye.
Kain
tayo.
Bye.